to our channel, and today we're going to do a loom bracelet fishtail version. And today I'm going to make a bracelet. So here I have the rainbow loom that I made. And now I'm going to show you all the colors I have. I have two of my bracelets here. This is the July version with the red, white, and blue. Over here I have the Christmas red, white. I have the S clips, and you can also find the U clips too. Over here I have the red, black, purple, orange, yellow, dark blue, neon green, purple, light blue, white, and pink. So these are all the colors I have, and today I'm going to show you how to make the fishtail version of it. So let's get started. So here I crossed the two on my fingers, and I'm gonna make this rainbow loom with purple and yellow. So I'm going to cross these over with a pattern of purple, yellow, purple, yellow. And now I'm going to loop the end parts together. I'm going to speed up the video now. We're here back, and I've skipped through the half part of the bracelet, and we can see a mermaid's print tail, and on the end we can also add the S tail if you want to in the beginning or after at the end, whatever you feel like. And if you want to stretch it out to make it longer and see how your hand fits, you can also do that. This fits me almost half of my hand on the front side, so I'm going to add a few more rainbow looms to make it a full circle. And I'll also teach you how to make a charm, like a tomato charm, so you can add it onto your red and white bracelet, or even you can make it a candy cane too. So I'm going to loop these over. I'm going to show you a purple one now. And you can also use a pencil if you want. And now you can stretch it from the bottom to make it longer and see if it fits you. And now I'm going to fast forward a little bit so you can see what it looks like at the end of the bracelet and how to attach it. I have my bracelet and I'm almost done with it. Now I'm going to put my S loom, and I'm going to show you how to lock it. So I'm going to loop the bottom purple one on top. And now I'm going to do the yellow one on my other finger, and I'm going to stretch it a little bit. And now I'm going to loop the S loom by stretching the bottom part and clipping it. And now I'm going to pull my finger out, and that's how you make the rainbow loom bracelet. And I'm now going to wear it and show it to you. So that's how it looks like. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Oops. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make rainbow loom charms. And over here I have some of my examples. So here I have a carrot, eggplant, 3 bananas. Unfortunately, I didn't have brown for black, but I made it black. Over here I have my snowflake for Christmas bracelets. And I have a candy cane here. And this is my bracelet with the white and red chain. It's a candy cane with red and white, and I loomed it to my bracelet, so whenever I wear it, it dangles. So now I'm going to teach you how to make a candy cane with 2 colors, which is pink and white. And you'll approximately need 10 of these for each. depends how long you want it to be. For these ones, I did 2 for each of them. So let's get started now. So now I crossed 2 together, and then I'm going to take a pink one. And now I'm going to put it over my fingers. So now I'm going to keep on adding 2 and 2. And now you're going to cross off the bottom one, and you're almost going to do a fishtail, but a small one. And I would prefer using a pencil because it's going to be hard because of how many rainbow looms I have on my fingers. So I'm going to do the same, and now I'm going to fast forward when I get on 5 of these rainbow looms on top. I finished a lot of rainbow looms, and this is how it turned out. Now I'm going to keep going with 2 more rainbow looms. Now I'm going to end it off with a simple white rainbow loom, so only put 1. And now I'm going to loop over the last one. Now I'm going to put that over my other finger and then bring the bottom loom over the bottom loom on the top, and now I'm going to stretch it, and now it looks like this. And now I'm going to take the 3rd loom, like the 3rd part of the bracelet, and then bring the string underneath it. And I'm going to stretch it over. And now that's how it looks like. Now I'm going to take my bracelet, and you can attach it to it by putting it the same way that we did it. So you can take a part of the bracelet, and you can stretch it, and you can put that white loom underneath it, so put it in between that. So now you're going to bring it under that charm, and you're going to stretch it out. So that's how it looks like, and that's how you make the candy cane pink and white charm, and now you can wear it. I'm going to show you by wearing it. And that's how it looks like. See, it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? And that's how you make loom bracelet fishtail version. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel, and don't forget to like this video. And if you like this video, I'll also make another rainbow loom bracelet video too. So don't forget to comment down below which one was your favorite and what your color is for your rainbow loom bracelet. Bye!